We all see her on Instagram these days, and what she's doing for the society, I think we all need to give her a big applause. And then Sara Ahmed, our star for Child Protection and Welfare Bureau. And when I met her, when I joined office in Punjab government last year, and when I met her in the first meeting, so I saw this young girl, very ambitious, and to my utter surprise, that she was so committed to this cause that I found her to be very, very efficient, competent, and emotionally attached to this cause of child protection. So I think what she's achieved over last a few years is something that people achieve in many, many years if they're not committed and emotionally connected to the cause like child protection and welfare. And of course, our Chief Minister, Maryam Nawaz Sharif. Scott, just pardon me for speaking in Urdu for a while, and then I'll come back to English. सबसे पहले तो मैं वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज़ शरीफ साहिबा का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि जब मैं सारा ने मुझे चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन की जो पॉलिसी है 2025 उसका ड्राफ्ट दिया और उसकी प्रेजेंटेशन दी, एंड आई took the draft to the Chief Minister, and she was so delighted कि इतना comprehensive work with all the stakeholders and society engagement, feedback और input के साथ बना हुआ है, and it was our policy, the first policy ever from any province on child protection and welfare. So that was, I think the next cabinet meeting, it was approved and it was then launched by the Bureau itself. So I thank partners like UNICEF also, and Scott, yourself as well, for helping us and bringing in the global experience for this cause in Pakistan. So thank you all the partners, all the Board of Governors, and of course Sara, people like Nadia, and heroes like Rizwana, जिसकी जो ज़ील है, हमारी जो स्पिरिट है और जो पूरा एक ईथोस है, उसके ऊपर काम करते हैं. So today is of course World's Children Day, and उसमें I'm not here to speak about children's right and to talk about child protection, or because ये तो आप daily basis पे we talk about these things, and the heroes of today's events are these children, and who of course are under the patronage and protection of Child Welfare Bureau, Protection Bureau. Lekin I'm here to talk about the conscience of the society, because whenever the child is protected, rescued, or protected from violence, it talks about and it shows the health of the mental health and the conscience of a society that they live in, and we all live in. तो जितनी ज़्यादा आपकी society healthy होगी, जितनी कॉन्शियस होगी, जितनी सेंसिटिव होगी, वही ट्रांसलेट करेगा उस सोसाइटी का नैरेटिव टुवर्ड्स विमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी रिफ्लेक्ट. अगर चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन ब्यूरो एंड वेलफेयर काम करे तो वो गवर्नमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बट एज ए नेशन, एज ए सोसाइटी, वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर चिल्ड्रन. If the children are begging, so somebody is giving them money. If the child labor is done, so somebody is hiring them. Like I speak on environment and smog related issues, that it has to come from within, it has to be indigenous, it has to be organic from within the society, that how we take care of our children, our environment, and also our women, the vulnerable groups of our society. So we all of course represent all parts of our society here today. हमारे पास पार्लियामेंटेरियंस भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, हमारे पास सिविल ब्यूरोक्रेसी भी यहाँ बैठी है, हमारे पास स्टेक होल्डर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं, हमारे पास बच्चे यहाँ मौजूद हैं. तो आई थिंक द कंटिन्यूअस वॉइस ऑफ दीज वॉइसलेस पीपल शुड बी हर्ड, एंड द वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स रेस्क्यू हम करते हैं, चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन ब्यूरो भी करता है, और इसके साथ साथ हम रेस्क्यू के साथ रिहैबिलिटेशन करें, इनकी एजुकेशन का जो ब्यूरो कर रहा है. सो द चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट जस्ट रेस्क्यूड, they are rehabilitated and then they are educated. अगर आपने उसको protect किया है तो they are empowered also, because there are many good stories and case studies that I'm learning every day, which Sara keeps telling me, कि जब आप किसी यहाँ बच्चे को protect करते हैं तो आप फिर उसका पूरा एक employment plan. Many girls I saw here today who were working for Tony and Guy, who were working for restaurants, who were working for different employers. So that's great news, because once the child is brought to the bureau, they should not be kept in bureau for the rest of their life. They should be mainstream, they should be educated, they should be protected, then they should be empowered also. And that's the ethos of the Chief Minister of Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif also. She's not leaving anyone behind. She is inclusive, she is, and you know, the question is asked to her every day that what is your priority? And she says that everything is my priority. We're just coming from a meeting, my colleagues here, Suhaib Bharat and Bilal, Transport Minister and Communication and Works Minister is here. We're just coming from an annual review which was chaired by the Chief Minister. So today was mother and child, today was special education, and today was the theme where we reviewed the entire health programs of the Chief Minister. Every project is her priority. And the projects and the departments that were unseen by the Chief Ministers is her priority list. Health and education. Education only stands at 145 billion rupees in Punjab, the highest ever budget allocated to education department, including all inclusive education, be it special education, be it primary, higher, secondary education, informal and formal education, both. तो ये जो विजन है चीफ मिनिस्टर का, इसमें अभी जो स्पेशल एजुकेशन की मेन स्ट्रीमिंग है, द फर्स्ट autism school will be inaugurated in December of Pakistan, and we're spreading it in all districts of Punjab, the autism schools. And autism school does not only have autistic kids, but it also has other special needs education that is inculcated and included in that narrative. और इसी तरह मील प्रोग्राम्स हैं. स्टंटिंग ऑफ कोर्स इज़ अ मेजर इशू, malnutrition is a major issue as well. So in South Punjab she has started where we give a milk pack to every child, and because of that 40% of enrollment has increased in schools in South Punjab. So that's something that she's looking. Mother and child health care program she's focusing on. The basic health units, the field hospitals where the mother and children are the major target audience of those interventions by the Chief Minister. तो ये जो सारा health care का और education का और एक society का child protection and women protection is her red line, and that's what she said in her first speech also in the parliament after becoming the Chief Minister, and she has implemented that. Like Nadia was saying that we should walk our talk. So Maryam Nawaz Sharif is, I think, a symbol of walking the talk that she delivers and that she delivers. So it's a very good news that the government is conscious of all the vulnerable groups, and they're making policies, they're approving policies, they're funding them. They're all cashed back programs that we have introduced in Punjab over the last 1.5 years under the leadership of Chief Minister Punjab. And yes, we all should clap like the little girl clapping there. So, ये बच्चे हमारे बच्चे हैं, ये बच्चे पाकिस्तान के बच्चे हैं, ये बच्चे पंजाब के बच्चे हैं, और जिस तरह इनकी प्रोटेक्शन चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन वेलफेयर ब्यूरो में की जा रही है, I think we all need to appreciate that and all need to acknowledge that the way the bureau is working, the way Sara's team is working, the way Home Secretary also is helping them because of legislative and administrative part as well. लेकिन जितना ज़्यादा हम as a society, as a nation, as a country sensitive होंगे, तो ये खाली गवर्नमेंट जो है वो आपको facilitate कर सकती है, वो आपको fund कर सकती है, वो आपको policy दे सकती है, वो आपको legislation दे सकती है, लेकिन the conscience of a society has to come from within, and that's what the bureau reflects also. And as we all are here today, I think today आज मैं theme पढ़ी थी, which is my day, my right. I think every day is these children's day, and every right as fundamental right, not as favor, should be given to these children. And that's how we do also. So inshallah, the government is there. The government and the Chief Minister is supportive of all these activities, and as I said, every policy of hers is inclusivity and leaving no one behind. So parliamentarians also are helping the Chief Minister, the ministers are also helping the Chief Minister, the civil society is helping the Chief Minister. So the entire Punjab team, we call that it is Punjab's Chief Minister's team, and she herself calls the team as a team effort. तो आप सबका इसी तरह साथ रहा, and once again I would like to thank you, Scott, for all your help. I've been interacting with UNICEF for many years now into different capacities, and the work UNICEF is doing in Pakistan is commendable also as partners, and we look forward to working with you as well. And I know different sectors that you're working in, education also, water and sanitation, WASH as well, and then of course child protection and welfare as well. So thank you once again. Tamam Board of Governors of Child Bureau and Welfare Bureau, Child Protection and Welfare Bureau as well. Thank you very much. Nadia, people like yourself, we need more. Bring in more people, more ambassadors, so that reflects the health of the society as well. यहाँ बड़ी मुश्किल होती है कि किसी एक्टर से तारीफ़ कराएं, क्योंकि उसके बाद जो उसके इंस्टा पेज के साथ होता है वो एक नेक्स्ट लेवल स्टोरी होती है. लेकिन हमें, आई थिंक वी शुड ब्रेक दोज शैकल्स ऑल्सो एंड इंटिमिडेशन इज वेल. वी शुड नॉट केयर अबाउट इट, एंड वी शुड वर्क वेयर आवर हार्ट इज़, and we should appreciate good work, because when you appreciate, when you acknowledge good work, then the result is these children being protected and the vulnerable groups being protected. So we all should appreciate good work. We all should talk about good work, and that's how the societies grow, and that's how the society's health is reflected as well. So आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया एक दफ़ा फिर. My fellow parliamentarians also, thank you very much for being part of this important day today. And I will keep connected. I'll come to the Bureau inshallah soon, and all your demands, charter of, and the charter of demands are, consider them approved by the Chief Minister, because I know when I'll take them to her, she will approve all the demands by the children as well. So thank you once again. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I'm just rushed because there's another meeting of the Chief Minister. So I'll beg leave, and thank you once again. Thank you so much.